Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Monday. It's September 29th. It's about 10:30 in the morning, and we are back on our 1958 Chevy Apache, as well as our Volkswagen thing for a second. Not a big deal on the thing, just something silly, but it didn't want to start. And when we looked at the battery, we had a lot of corrosion on on the negative terminal. So we've got it over here, we're cleaning it up. So figuring out why that's doing that and cleaning it up. So yeah. Let me show you what we got, guys. All right, so what you're all here for. It's the 1958 Chevy Apache pickup truck. This door is about to go on. So it's not actually bolted on yet. All the bolts are actually in that yellow bag. We've got all new bolts for bolting the door on. I didn't want to screw with that. But we do have it slid into the actual pockets here and ready to bolt on. So that's exciting. Does that not look incredible? I mean, come on. I love it. So looking really good. Really happy with the cab right now. It's really starting to come together. And we still have, you know, where the mirror stuff was, we've got little things here and there, and you know, that need to be taken care of. Not a huge deal, but just, you know, stuff. But we're looking good. So the goal here is still October 1st until that goal changes. So the goal today is to get both of the doors hung on the truck. Okay, make sure they fit. Make sure they do all the doors things they need to do. Okay. Then we will start on the cab. Okay, and that'll be spot filling, hitting dents, hitting areas, anything we think we need to hit that we can see right now before we heavy prime it. We're going to go ahead and try to hit. That'll probably take a day or two. Run around this truck and dial it in, and then we'll go get the primer and heavy prime it when we're ready, and take this cab off this frame. So not too bad. We got today, we got tomorrow. And honestly, we got as long as it takes. That's what we got. But we're gonna make an attempt to get it done as quick as we can, and get that rocking and rolling. So both doors should be on the cab today. And again, the doors are gonna come right back off in the next couple days, even if they fit perfectly, because we need to take the engine hoist in kind of through here and up, actually be through there and up, to lift this cab off. So the doors don't need to be on it, and we don't want the weight of the doors. They're pretty heavy. We don't want any more weight than we have to. So that's happening. Over here, you've got the Volkswagen thing. What? Yeah. Battery goes right here. You can see a little bit of corrosion right there. We're cleaning all this up, and the duct board, the mat. Really, the problem is this here. We got a pretty corroded battery cable there, negative. So we're cleaning all that up. We got some cleaner on it right now, just kind of eating. And then we're going to take all that off, clean everything up. If I need to, I'll replace the cable. Don't care. And then we'll reinstall everything after we charge the battery. Because we want to be able to drive this car, not necessarily any distance, but from here to there without having to push it. So that's where we're at, guys. A little bit of work on the thing, nothing big. Probably won't even cover it other than briefly tonight at the end. Big news today is going to be right here, getting the doors on and continuing to get this truck ready. Because yesterday we got the truck blocked. For all intents and purposes, the truck is blocked. So with 220. So now it's just spot filling and taking care of some little things and rocking and rolling. These door jambs and rockers are real close. The dash is really close. The interior of the truck is pretty close. Little work up in there, and on the same on this side here, but not bad. There's some little dents and dings and stuff on the back, especially on this side over here. We got to hit. Ron's already hit most of them on this side, and yeah, we're pretty much there. The jury is still out on that door. Driver's door, jury's still out. Whether to just bite the bullet and buy a new door from National Parts Depot, which would save us oodles and oodles of time, and it would probably be a better truck with a new door. Or to repair that door, which we could also do. We have the ability to do. So, we'll see. I don't even know. I have the patch panels and everything to do that door. It's just a matter of doing it. So, we'll see where that all goes. But for now, this is where we're at. I'll bring all this to you once we get the doors on. We'll show you how that looks and how our lines look and gaps and whatnot. And good, bad, and the ugly. And we will get into this. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Be back in a minute. All right, guys. Passenger door is on. It looks incredible. The gaps aren't dead nuts yet. We haven't really adjusted anything other than putting it on, but we are not hitting any of the places where we'd be worried about hitting. Lines look pretty good. And pretty good here. Pretty good here. Now, mind you, we don't have the latch on it or anything, so it's just, you know, but not bad. Not bad at all. So, what we're going to do next is a couple things. One, we're going to put this door on the rack, and on the red rack here, like this one was, we're going to roll it over there and put it on. Try to get that door on. That door's more of a bastard. We'll see where that goes. It could be easy, it could be incredibly hard. So we'll see. We got aftermarket hinges over there, so we'll see where that goes. But really happy with this door so far. So, sorry, I can't seem to get back far enough. I just got too much shit in here. Get you the picture here. So, not bad. Not bad. Now, mind you, that is only got epoxy on that door. It doesn't have any heavy build primer or anything. So it's going to come a million miles real fast. From this point forward, I think the next thing Ron's going to do will be blocking it, getting these dents out of here, and just really take this thing to the next level, which would be amazing. We're really loving this truck. We're having a good time. Me and Ron have been hanging out here just checking out the work. Like, holy shit. This door went on in about, what, 5 minutes? Yeah, so call it 10 minutes tops, door to door, you know? So, really happy with that. It looks great inside, too. And this is where everything kind of comes together, right? You start looking at it and you go, okay, that's what she's going to look like. Now, mind you, the garnish molding's off. That goes there, but not bad. Not bad at all. So, yeah. Really excited. So I just wanted to show you guys this. I'm gonna stop talking and start working, get that door mounted up and get it on this side, and we'll go down this road. See you in a minute, guys. Okay, guys, let me give you a rundown of where we're at. This door, it's an original door, the door to the truck, but we had to replace the door hinges with aftermarket hinges. We're struggling with that a little bit. So what we need to do, we need to be able to go that way and that way more than what it's allowing us to do. So we need to remount the hinges a little bit where the bolts go in, give us a little more room. So we're going to take the door back off and remount the holes. And what I mean by that, love bugs over there, right here. We're going to ream this out a little bit. We're going to ream this out a little bit here. Same here and here, okay? Bottom needs to go in, top needs to come out. Right now, this is kind of what we got, right? We're tight here, we're tight here, we're out here. We pretty much got our height right. Pretty good there, you know, but there's a lot of movement that needs to happen that we can't do because of what the hinges are doing to us. So we're gonna get that right, and Ron's getting his stuff together right now. You can see him back there, and we're gonna do that. Now this door over here, we don't have to do that. This door here has factory hinges with the factory door, and it's pretty close. This passenger door is really good. We knew that there was going to be a substantial amount of time on the driver's door getting it to fit, and that's one of the main reasons that we're doing this today, is to just get it to where everything bolts up and all that. So we're not trying to do this on a cart or later on down the road. Let's just take the time now and get it right, and that's what we're doing. So stay tuned for all this. I think while Ron's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and grab the latch here, the bolts in here, and get that on, so this door will actually latch shut, and put the door handle back on it and all that right here, anyway, on the inside, and then this one will be pretty much there. So that's what's going on, guys. Still haven't done a damn thing to the Volkswagen. It's still sitting out here, you know, doing its thing, the battery. But we're getting there. So, anywho's, stay tuned. We'll bring all this to you, and hopefully by the end of this day, we'll have 2 doors on this thing. So, stay tuned, guys. Be back in a minute. Everybody, we have doors. So doors are now mounted, fitting okay. I mean, we still got work to do. We still got some work to do up in here in the actual door jamb itself. We need to come out a little bit here. There's some things, but it's all in all starting to look like a door. It also, I installed the latch mechanism and door handle. Now listen to this. 2 clicks. It's beautiful. Here's the other side. Did the same thing over there. Other side's looking good too. Was a lot of work on the hinges on the other side. I'll give you an idea here. Starting to look like something. So now we got to run through this truck, through this cab, and really dial in the cab spot filling and all of that, so we can heavy prime later this week. So we're getting somewhere, guys. I just wanted to show you this. We're charging the battery for the thing. We did get the cable off and went ahead and bought a new battery cable for it, which is actually still in the car. I gotta remember to get that. But the big news of the day, doors are on, doors are fitting pretty good, and we kind of, my big Ron was a little worried that this door in particular was going to be a nightmare, and it wasn't easy, but it went better than expected, and this was a day that needed to happen. So doors are on, life is good. Next up, tomorrow, start spot filling this cab, start getting it ready. A couple days, we're taking this cab off the frame, so stay tuned for all of that, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're watching this, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.